So the first thing I'm going to do is drag my stems or tracks into the arrangement window. To do that, I'm going to select all the tracks, left-click and hold, and while holding down Control, I'm going to drag the tracks into my arrangement, then release on the first bar. I have the useful habit of including the BPM and the key in the file name as they become available, so this is 128 BPM. I'm going to update the tempo to 128. Before I press play and have a listen, I'm going to adjust the volume level. I'm going to press tab to toggle to the session view where it's easier to adjust the volume. I'm going to select all the tracks and then use the up and down arrow to incrementally adjust the volume. I'll press tab again to toggle back to the arrangement view. I'm going to place my arrangement loop on the first 4 bars, making sure that I select all the tracks in the column. I'm going to press Ctrl E to cut and isolate the 4 bars. Then I will left-click and hold the new clips, then press tab. That'll take me to the session view while still holding to the selected tracks. I can then let go of the clips to where I want them to be. I'm going to go back to the arrangement window by pressing tab again to continue to do the same to the next set of clips. If you find that when you come back to the arrangement window and it's all dark and unresponsive, just press this small button.